Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss the basics of keyword research. It is so important because we pay for every keyword in Google. So, keyword research should have very deep knowledge for PPC or for Google ad campaign. Okay. So keyword research is when people use queries, find and research actual search term that people enter into search engine. Keyword research is one of the most important, valuable and high return activity in search engine marketing. Keyword research is built on intent of context, intent on traffic, context of content. In PPC ad campaign, you should remember keyword equal to traffic, traffic is equal to sales. If you can master the art finding awesome keywords for your business, you shall not only benefit a search engine, but also you will get customer better than your competitor. The usefulness of intelligence cannot be overstated. With keyword research, you can predict shift in demand, respond changing market condition, produce products, service and content that web searches are actively seeking. Assessing keyword values during: is the keyword relevant or a website content? Will searcher find what they are looking for on your site when they search using these keywords? Will they be happy with what they need? Will this traffic result financial rewards or other organization goal? Example: IELTS booking, IELTS mock test. This keyword may be similar, but it intent context not similar. Okay, so we need to consider crucial factor to choose a keyword: monthly search volume, competition, CPC, keyword, trend, competition and the country. Example: IELTS booking, search volume 180 CPC 43 taka and 10 very high 90%. That means every year the search amount 90% increases. Competition high and country is BD. Okay, so basic keyword, basic types: product, service keyword, brand keyword, modifier keyword, entity keyword, geographical location keyword, demographical segmented keyword, buying call to action keywords, navigational keywords, informational educational keywords, transactional keywords, B2B keywords. Okay, there has a various type of keyword, but you have to find out which keyword you need on your campaign. So keyword most common types: commercial intent, buy, purchase, see, pricing, sell, best, reviews, guide, buying guide, etc. Informational keyword: what, when, where, how, restaurant, hotel, flight, news, etc. Location intent: near me, nearby, form direction, airport route, map, cities, country, etc. So if your business target is sales, do not use informational keyword. Okay, keyword other types: primary keyword, generic keywords, banded keywords, long tail keywords, LSI keywords and the mesh type. So you have to target it long tail keywords. Thus, you can people can understand, or you can understand which traffic you want. So please understand everything of keyword basics because it is so important. In the PPC ad campaign, you should remember I will pay every keyword. So this keyword must be fulfilled in text and the context. Okay, and that's will be suppose I need sales, so I also targeted sales oriented keyword. So thank you so much. Hopefully you understand the basics of keywords. If you need any help, any questions, you can ask me on the comment. Thank you so much.